Flexcut hook strop is used to polish the inside edge of any hook knife. This leather strop needs to be loaded with an abrasive polishing compound like Flexcut Gold. Load the entire strop surface with polishing compound by rubbing the bar directly onto the leather. Hold the hook strop so that it's flat against the inside face of the hook blade. Check to be sure leather suede is making direct contact with the inside surface of the cutting edge. Now push the hook strop along the full length of the cutting edge starting from the base. Ride the inside contour of the hooked blade by using a slight twisting of your wrist as you push the strop through the stroke to the tip of the blade. Flexcut hook hone is used to sharpen the inside edge of any hook knife. This sharpening tool uses abrasive paper and a more aggressive solution than stropping to remove nicks and scratches from the cutting edge. Start by loading the hook hone with a 2 3/4 inch by 9 inch strip of abrasive paper. Start with the 400 grit paper. Remove the thick dowel rod and rubber washers. Wrap the strip of paper around the hook hone and tuck it into a slot. Jam the dowel rod down into the slot over top of the paper. This wedges the paper in place and keeps it tightly wrapped. Now slide the washers over top of the dowel rod to keep it from slipping out. Now that you have the hook hone loaded with a strip of abrasive paper, lay it flat against the inside face of the hook blade. Check to be sure the abrasive paper is making direct contact with the inside surface of the cutting edge. Now push the hook hone along the full length of the cutting edge starting at the base. Ride the inside contour of the hook blade by using a slight twisting of the wrist as you push through your stroke to the tip of the blade. Once completing the process with 400 grit paper, repeat the entire process using 600 grit paper.